Challenges sa akin, ay yung isa sa mga challenges sa akin is paano sila mapapagpantay sa stage. Kasi iba-iba sila ng experience, style. So, yung challenge sa akin, paano sila magiging as one. Katulad na sinabi ni Kuya LA. And kasi hindi naman silang lahat hindi alam yung ibang style. So, paano mo ipapakita sa audience na na-embody nila yung style na yun? Yung challenge sa amin na choreographers, paano mo ibibigay yung style na nakatoka sa kanila na magagawa nila ng tama. Yun lang. Thank you.
Would you like to add more, Coach Aaron Jazz?
Actually, for me, yung mga challenges na sabi nila, ngayon, I just want to appreciate all the people here, the digital dance stars or celebrities for accepting this particular show. Kasi, imagine, itong mga artist natin and even sila digital stars natin, may ganyan kasi silang busy schedules. And for them to gather here and to study different dances na minsan hindi pa nila genre and everything, it's really, hindi lang sa physically draining, it can also drain their mental health, emotional health, diba? Pero once na makita nyo sila ma-fulfill yung mga i-perform nila, talagang pati kayo may inspire, ma-apektuhan in a way na makikita nyo na ang galing, kinaya nila, sumakses sila. Then also, I think this show is a really good platform na i-connect yung mainstream industry sa aming mga nasa dance community.